we've got a fantastic 11-piece Wera Joker set here. Let's have a little look at what we've got on board. You can see here it is on a nice rail, which is magnetic, but we'll get to that in a bit because first we're going to look at the Wera Jokers itself. Now, this is one of Wera's most popular hand tool ranges. These are their spanners. Now, as you can see here, it says here on this little diagram, 15 degrees. That's right, this can give you a 15-degree return angle. Now that is pretty impressive. You do have other Wera Jokers that offer you a 30-degree return angle, but most standard spanners are giving you about 60 degrees return angle. So this is going to be more than ideal for when you're working in those confined spaces. Now, a lot of that is made possible by the Biex geometry. You'll notice the ends on these do look quite different to your standard spanner, and that is because these can be used on the flat or on the corners of your nuts and your bolts. You're just getting that added flexibility, and of course that 15-degree return angle is being made possible by the fact that this is offset on the head of the spanner. You'll also notice that on the bottom of this, you've got the ring spanner as well, and this is going to apply to all of the tools that you get in this set. Like I said, 11 pieces. You've got a variety of the most popular sizes, ranging from 8 through to 19, and it all sits upon this nice magnetic rail, which is going to be more than ideal if you've got a nice workshop setup. You can actually just slap it on any magnetic material and you'll have these nice and up on the wall. The same if you've got it in the back of your van or things like that, you can do that too. But what I also like about this is you've got the protective layer of foam on the back. Now that is going to be perfect if you're a mechanic. You can actually stick this on the side of a car and you don't have to worry about it scratching. This is designed to make your life as easy as possible. So if you're looking for high quality spanners, look no further than Wera's 11-piece Joker set, available now at its.co.uk.